Start. Wednesday wrong. Thursday wrong. Sunday wrong. Monday correct. Saturday wrong. Friday wrong. Monday correct. Sunday wrong. Monday correct. Tuesday correct. Thursday wrong. Monday correct. Thursday wrong. Monday correct. Tuesday correct. Friday wrong. Monday correct. Tuesday correct. Where is Wednesday? Wednesday. Wednesday right. Correct. Thursday right. Where is Friday? Where is Friday? Sunday wrong. Monday correct. Tuesday correct. Wednesday correct. Thursday correct. Friday correct. Saturday correct. Sunday correct. Winner. Start. Friday wrong. Thursday wrong. Saturday wrong. Tuesday wrong. Thursday wrong. Monday correct. Tuesday correct. Saturday wrong. Monday correct. Tuesday correct. Where is Wednesday? Sunday wrong. Monday correct. Tuesday correct. Wednesday correct. Thursday correct. Friday correct. Sunday wrong. Monday correct. Tuesday correct. Friday wrong. Monday correct. Tuesday correct. Wednesday. Where is Wednesday? Wrong. Saturday wrong. Monday correct. Tuesday correct. Wednesday correct. Thursday correct. Where is Friday? Friday. Friday correct. Saturday correct. Sunday correct. Winner.